Hello and welcome back to my channel Learn with Nikhil. So today we are going to study about projection of line which is parallel to the one reference plane and inclined to the other planes. So with this first point we get the projection of line is parallel to vertical plane and inclined to HP, that is horizontal plane, and profile plane. So line is parallel to one plane and inclined to the other two planes. So in this case it is parallel to the vertical plane, so this is the vertical plane, and it is inclined to horizontal plane and profile plane. So it is inclined like this. So line is parallel to vertical plane and inclined to horizontal plane. So this is horizontal plane, it is inclined to horizontal plane. And also it is inclined to the profile plane, so which is the side view. So it is inclined. So line is inclined like this. So it is inclined to horizontal plane and profile plane, and this is parallel to vertical plane. So this is how the line will be. So in the front view or in the vertical plane, the line will be like this, slant. In the horizontal plane or the top view, the line will be a horizontal straight line. And also in the side view, the line will be a straight vertical line. So this is side view, it will be like this. So drawing this. So first we'll draw the axis, the center line. This is XY line and the vertical line X dash Y dash. I will start drawing with the vertical plane or the front view. So as you have seen, the line is like this. The angle is not given here. We'll just assume an angle like this. So this is how the line will look in the front view. So I am drawing a slant line. This point will be A dash, B dash. Now drawing the top view, we'll take the projections downward. Top view, as you know, the slant line will look like a straight horizontal line from the top view like this. So we'll take the projections down from the front view to the top view, and we'll draw a straight horizontal line, and I'll name it as AB. Now drawing the side view, as you know, you have to take a 45-degree angle line, take the projections from the front to the side view and from the top view to the side view as well. As we have seen in the side view, the slant line, this is how the slant line is. It will look straight vertical line in the side view, that is on the profile plane. So we'll draw this straight vertical line and we'll denote it as A double dash and B double dash. Just marking the direction of lines. So distance above the horizontal plane, we call it as L, and the distance in front of the vertical plane, we call it as M. So as you know, this is the vertical plane, also the front view. Bottom one is the horizontal plane or the top view, and this is PP, profile plane or the side view. Now moving towards the next combination, where the projection of line is in VP and it's inclined to horizontal plane and profile plane. So the projection of line is in VP, vertical plane, and it is inclined to HP and PP. So this is VP, the line is in VP, so it is on the VP like this. So it is attached to the vertical plane. So from the top view you can see a horizontal line which is on the axis. And in front view you will see a slant line and its base is attached to the axis. And in profile plane also it is on the vertical axis. A straight dark line will be on the vertical axis. So this is how the projection of line will be, which is in VP. So slant line in vertical plane and parallel to the horizontal plane and profile plane. So this is how it will be. So for drawing this, again we'll draw the axis, straight and the vertical line and the horizontal line perpendicular to it. This will be XY, center O. This will be X dash, Y dash. This will be vertical plane, this will be horizontal plane, and this is the profile plane or the side view. As we have seen, line is in VP, so it is like this. In the front view, slant line. Here also I have assumed the slant or the inclined line. This will be A dash, B dash. Now drawing the top view. So we'll take the projections downward. This is how the line will be. It will be attached to the axis. So it will be attached here. Draw a thick dark line. So it will be seen on the axis. This will be A and B. Now drawing the side view, we'll take the projections. So from front view to the side view. So side view you can see. It looks like a straight line which is drawn on the axis. So it is like this. And we'll name it as A double dash and B double dash. Now this distance above the horizontal plane, as we know, we'll mark it as L. The distance in front of vertical plane will be 0, that is M will be 0. This is front view, this is top view, and this is the side view. Next is the projection of line is parallel to horizontal plane and inclined to VP and PP. So for explanation I have again taken the quadrant. So this is a line. It is parallel to horizontal plane. So line will be like this. It is parallel to the horizontal plane and then inclined to vertical plane and profile plane. So line will be like this. It is parallel to horizontal plane. Parallel is like this. Then inclined to the vertical plane. So it is inclined at an angle. So from the front view or in the vertical plane, the line will look like this. From the top view or in the horizontal plane, it will look a slant. And in the profile or the side view, the line will look like this. So in two-dimensional, we'll draw the axis. This is X dash, Y dash, X and Y. So now as you know, line is parallel to the horizontal plane and inclined to the vertical plane. So line will look like this. From the front view, a horizontal straight line. So this will be the line. Its thickness will not be the exact as it is inclined. So it will be less than its actual width. Now taking the projections to the top view. Now in the top view, the line will look like this. Or in the horizontal plane. So it will be inclined. Again we have just assumed the angle. This will be A and B. We have assumed the angle as 45 degree. This can vary according to the question, so it can be given any angle and you have to draw it accordingly. So now to draw the side view, we'll draw the 45 degree angle line. So in the side view, it is inclined to the side view, so again it will look like this, and its width will not be the exact width of the line as it is inclined. So this will be the projection. So it will be less than the actual width of the line. Actual width of the line will be the slant distance which is in the top view. I will mark this as A double dash B double dash. So this is the vertical plane or the front view. This is horizontal plane or the top view, and this is profile plane or the side view. So the line above the horizontal plane, we know that the distance is L, and the line in front of vertical plane, we denote it as M. So we are done with this. Moving to the next point, where the projection of line is in HP and it is inclined to VP and PP. So same as the previous, but here the line is in the horizontal plane. So line is like this, on or in the horizontal plane. So it is perpendicular to the horizontal plane and then inclined to vertical plane and PP, that is profile plane. So line is like this. This is inclined to the vertical plane and it is also inclined to the profile plane, and the line is in the horizontal plane. So front view will be like this. It will be on the axis. Again the width of this line will be less than the actual width and it will be on the axis. From the top view, the line will be like this, and in the side view also it will be on the axis and its width will be less than the actual width. So drawing this, again we'll draw the axis. Now for drawing the front view in the vertical plane, as you know it's in the horizontal plane. So from the front view, the line will be on the axis like this. We have to draw a horizontal dark line on the axis. This will be A dash and B dash. Now drawing the top view, so we have taken the projections downward. So line will be a slant line as it is inclined to the vertical plane. So line will be a slant, and also in the profile plane it will be on the axis. So now drawing the side view, we are taking a 45 degree angle line, taking the projections from the front view and from the top view to the side view, taking it upward. So this will be the side view in the PP or the profile plane. This will be AB and this will be A double dash B double dash. So in the side view also the width is less than the actual length of the line. Actual length of the line is this, which is the slant line. So line in front of the vertical plane, this distance is denoted as M, and this is the views, and we are done with this part. Now moving towards projection of line is parallel to the profile plane and it's inclined to HP and VP. So now the line is parallel to the side view and it is inclined to the other two views. So now it is parallel to the side view, so PP, it is like this, line will be like this, and it is inclined to the horizontal plane and the vertical plane. So line will be like this in the profile plane and it is inclined, so it will be either this upside or it can be downside also. So line will be like this. side view, this is front view. So this is the actual length. The line will be like this. So line will be shorter than the actual length and line will be vertical. So this length is the front view, A dash and B dash. Now drawing the top view, we'll take the projections from the front to the top view. Again it is inclined. So line will be like this. Again it will be a straight line. Now depending upon the inclination, the length of the line will be. Here we are just assuming it. Now drawing the side view. Taking the projections from the top and the front to the side view. So the length, the diagonal length. So in the side view, the line will be like this. So the actual length of the line will be visible in the side view and it will be the distance of the slant line. So line will be like this. So it will join these vertices. We'll make this dark. So this will be A double dash and this will be B double dash. Now the distance L can be written here also. Line above the horizontal plane. This is distance L. This is distance M. And this distance is denoted by N. Next is the projection of line is on PP and is inclined to HP and VP. So line is on the PP, so it is placed on the PP and it is inclined to the horizontal plane and vertical plane. So line is like this. So it is inclined, so it is inclined to the vertical plane and it is inclined to the horizontal plane as well. So line will be again on the axis and in the profile plane it will be slant. So same as previous, but the other lines will be on the axis. So now moving to the two-dimensional form. So in the front view on the VP, the line will be like this. So it will be on this axis. So this length is not the actual length of the line. This will be A dash, B dash. Now in the top view, the line will be again a straight line. Again its length will be not the actual length of the line. It depends upon the angle of inclination. Now drawing the side view. Taking the projections. So side view, the line will be slant like this. It can be like this or it can be on the other end as well. So line can be either in this way also. This will be A double dash and B double dash. So here will be the actual length of the line. This distance is M. This distance height is denoted by L. And these are the front view, top view and the side view. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next lecture. We'll learn more about projection of lines and points.